Okay, so today we're gonna be cleaning some lashes. If you guys didn't know, your lashes can definitely be clean. And these are the lashes that I'm gonna use to clean. These are my sister-in-law's lashes. She loves her lashes and she gets great wear out of them. So today we're gonna clean them up for her, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's done, or at least how I do it. So first things first, we're gonna take them off gently. Now, for this next part, I would recommend using tweezers, but I don't have any right now, so I'm going to carefully use my fingers. But we want to get as much glue off as possible, and as you're doing this, this is a cotton band. Excuse my nails. This is a cotton band, so you want to be sure not to pull the threads. If you pull the threads, you're going to mess up your lashes. So what I'm going to do is just carefully pull off with the tips of my fingers as much glue as possible. And this isn't too difficult, but again, you want to be careful not to pull the threads. Okay, I think that's good for this one. Let's see. And this is normal buildup when you wear your lashes. So she probably got this pair of lashes at least a month ago. I think maybe two months ago. So they have been holding up well. Now, if you don't want to clean your lashes, you can always buy new lashes. Like, that's not an issue. You're more than welcome to do so. Some people don't want to go through this. Like, me personally, even if the lashes are still in good use, I probably would buy new ones because I just don't really like cleaning much of anything. So that would be me. Okay, now you can see some of the threading right there is coming a little loose. So I'm gonna leave that end alone, and what I'll do later is just trim that little piece off and it should be good to go. But if you pull out the thread in the middle, then you'll just have a problem. Okay, so I think that's good for the glue. And now what we'll do is slide this over a little bit. We don't need those yet. This is just some warm soapy water. We're just gonna toss these in here, let them sit for maybe like 5 or 10 minutes, and you'll start to see that all right, so it's been about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and fish these out, and I'll leave the other one in there until I'm ready for it. So I'm gonna use a Q-tip and this, and we're just gonna wipe them off. And you see, so it's foundation, it's mascara that really gets in these and clumps them together. Let me see if I can zoom. Sorry if the camera is a little shaky right now. But yeah, we'll just wipe them off. And I would just, whatever pattern you have, just stick with the pattern. And I'm just dipping the Q-tip in water. So these are the Tequila Mommy lashes. Okay. You just gotta let them dry. Alright, so the lashes are pretty much dry. This is how they look. Snap back. Here's the second one. These are the 25mm lashes, so if they look long, just know it's because they are. Yeah, so we just gonna put these back in here. And give them back. That's it and that's all.